All right, we are in early warning weather alert mode as we have the threat for some thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon and early evening that could be strong to severe. But in the meantime, today is going to be dry with temperatures running below average. And well, what is average for today, the 20th of April? 63 degrees. Towns today will likely top out in the mid to perhaps upper 50s, depending upon how much clearing we see. Right now, we're in the mid 40s throughout western Connecticut, 50 or near 50 up and down the 91 corridor, and as well along 95 and in the low 50s as well throughout to eastern Connecticut. So there's a bit of a breeze, northeasterly at times, 5 to 15 miles an hour, that will make it feel a tad chillier. But the cloud cover right now you can see pretty prevalent from where I can view in Torrington. Similar scene coming in from Hartford, looking to the northeast, upstream there of the Connecticut River. More of the same as we look toward the horizon there in the Sleeping Giant with our ICAM view from New Haven, and also checking in on the tugboats from New London. So while we are cloudy for now, we could see some thinning to the clouds, all as an ocean storm passes offshore. So you can see the precipitation associated with that staying out of Connecticut to our southeast, and the back edge of the cloud cover working through Albany back towards Scranton. So again, as the day progresses, we'll likely see some clearing. Okay, so for tomorrow, the Storm Prediction Center has outlined Connecticut and a good chunk of southern New England and points southwestward, and the risk area for some thunderstorms that could be strong, possibly severe. And the main threats from these would be some heavy rain, some gusty, perhaps damaging wind, some frequent lightning, and even some small hail. So this is all in association with a cold front that's dropping into the northern plains right now out of Canada and swings in our direction. So as we check out FUTURECAST for the timing here, this afternoon, as that ocean storm again moves farther away from us, we're looking for clearing to get underway. So tonight, we'll see plenty of clear sky through the overnight hours, and then tomorrow we'll start off dry with mostly sunny sky, and clouds quickly increase. And by midday tomorrow, late morning, early afternoon, there's a chance for some rain showers in association with a warm front. On the heels of that, a cold front moves in, and there you can see 3 o'clock storms moving out of the lower Hudson Valley into western Connecticut. You see the yellows, the oranges, the reds by 5 o'clock making their way through central and then into eastern Connecticut. And by, say, 7 o'clock, the front is moving offshore. So on our early warning 7-day forecast, temperatures tomorrow likely top out in the mid 50s. And then behind that front for Wednesday, cooler, highs near 50, so about 10 to 14 degrees below average. It'll be mostly sunny, but breezy, so that wind will make it feel even chillier. Then on Thursday, during the daylight hours, it looks primarily dry with increasing cloud covers. Temps top back out in the mid-50s, and then chances for rain go up by, say, Thursday evening into Thursday night. And then Friday is looking times wet with highs in the low 50s, scattered showers or periods of rain. And then for the upcoming weekend, there's some uncertainty on the timing, but it looks like we may squeeze out some dry weather on Saturday, but then chances for showers increase Saturday night and then over the second half of the weekend. For shoreline highs over the coming days, mid-50s tomorrow, low 50s Wednesday, then back to the mid-50s for Thursday and Friday. So again, Kara, the threat for severe weather tomorrow afternoon is from, say, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon toward like 6, 7 in the evening. Of course, we'll be keeping up to date on that on all of our platforms here on Channel 3, but also on our app. If you don't have that, is a great resource, so you want to get that downloaded.